Our first chapter is whole numbers. Whole numbers are the positive numbers without any fractional number or decimal number. It includes 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to so on. Now look at even numbers. Even numbers always end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. They are exactly divided by 2. What are odd numbers? Odd numbers always end with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. They are not exactly divided by 2. Next we have Roman numbers. Romans write 1 to 10 in three special symbols or Roman numbers. For 1 they write I, 2 double I, 3 triple I, 4 IV, 5 V, 6 VI, 7 VII, 8 V triple I, 9 IX and 10 X. Now we start our exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. The place value of 8 in 48561 is dash. The place value of 8, it is ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So the place value of 8 is 1000. 31, 43 and 25 are dash numbers. These are odd numbers. Look at this, it is 1 and with 1, 3 and 5. These all numbers are odd numbers. 31, 43 and 25 are odd numbers. 52 is dash than 53. It is smaller number and 53 is greater number. So 52 is less than 53. 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25 are in dash order. It is in ascending order. The numbers are increasing. It is in ascending order. 11 is dash than 10. 11 is greater than 10. Look at this. It is greater 11 and 10 is smaller. So 11 is greater than 10. Next we have question number 2. State whether following are true or false. In 495 the place value of 9 is tens. Ones, tens. So the place value of 9 is tens. Yes, it is true. Roman numeral V stands for 4. No, it is false. V stands for 5, not for 4. So it is false. 73 is an even number. It is also false. 84 is an even number. Yes, it is true. 84 is an even number. 15 is greater than 14. Yes, it is also true. Now we have question number 3. Select the correct answer from the given options. Roman numeral XVI stands for X is for 10, V for 5 and I is for 1. So 10 plus 5, 15 plus 1 is 16. So the correct option is C. XVI stands for 16. 40,340 in figures is 40,340. So the correct option is C. The number 19 is greater than 18, double of 9, less than 18, double of 10. It is greater than 18. Number 19 is greater than 18. Correct option is A. The place value of 2 in 21,750 is, it is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 2 tens means 20. So the place value of 2 is 20,000. 17 in Roman numerals is, it is XVI. X is for 10, V is for 5 and double I is for 2. 10 plus 15 plus 2 is 17. So XVI. Correct option is B. Next we have question number 4. Write the numbers in Roman numerals. 16. X is for 10, V is for 5 and I. XVI is 16. 10 is X. 11 XI. Next we have 8. V is for 5, I. Triple I, V is for 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is VII. Next we have 7, VII, V double I and 20 is double X. 10 and 10 is 20, so double X. Next question number 5. Write the Roman numbers in numerals. IX is for, it is 9. X means tens. XIX is 19. X is for 10 and IV is for 4. IV is for 4 and 10 plus 4 is 14. So XIV is 14. V is for 5. X and V is 15. 10 plus 5 is 15. XIII. It is 13. 10 plus 3 is, it is 13. Next we have question, write the names of these number in words. It is 4630, 4630, 5072, 6001, 3800, 86052. Next we have 17438, 20214, 98150. Okay, this is for all for today. I hope you will understand. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.